बस आती तो है यार।
मैं काम कर रहा, मैं कल आवांगा। हाँ काट दे। Yes. Yes, ready. Thank you.
इधर देखो ना, ऐसे भी देखो तो फोटो में आएंगे।
देखो बेटा देखो।
डेकोरेशन भी अच्छा किया, डेकोरेशन बहुत अच्छा किया, पूरा मैदान तो
चलिए आ जाएंगे, थोड़ा सा तो चलना है। बीच में सीढ़ी है काफी है, यहाँ काफी हो जाएंगे।
गाड़ी गाड़ी
गाड़ी से ले रहे हैं। मनीष जी गाड़ी से वहाँ तक खाली गाड़ी
Deixa eu ficar agora. Samriti and Chinu.
I know, but you are from the
सबके बस स्लिप हो
नहीं सर डायरेक्टर्स के लिए नहीं स्लिप
लाइट रखने के लिए क्या करते हैं लाइट
all present here. To this 17th Foundation Day celebrations, we invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati by lighting the lamp. I now invite on stage our Vice Chairman Sir, Mr. Y.K. Gupta, Mrs. Y.K. Gupta, if she is present here, Mr. M.S. Siotia, the President and Chief Executive Officer of SGI, all the advisors of the Sharda Group of Institutions, to kindly come on the stage to light up the lamp before Goddess Saraswati.
Ma Saraswati Sharde Ma Saraswati Sharde Pur is jnana udati se Pur is jnana udati se Meena taar
Our constant source of inspiration, respected Sri Anand Swaroop Ji, our Vice Chairman, Mr. Y.K. Gupta Ji, President and CEO, Mr. M.S. Siotia Sir, respected group of advisors and directors of all SGI colleges, respected heads of various departments, respected deans, members of faculty and staff, and all other members of SGI fraternity. All the distinguished guests and visitors, including members of media, welcome again to the 17th Foundation Day celebrations of the Sharda Group of Institutions. As you all are already aware, that we celebrate this day with triple objectives in mind. Firstly, and most importantly, it's a day of festivities with family and friends and all our well-wishers, which we celebrate together relishing our achievements, taking stock of our weaknesses, and reaffirming our resolve to move forward with renewed vigor and added enthusiasm. Secondly, this is a day on which we express our thanks to the founders and their family members whose entrepreneurship and vision has led to the creation of these wonderful institutions of higher learning under the umbrella of Sharda Group of Institutions. From this point of view, it is the Founders' Day celebrations and Thanksgiving Day. Thirdly, it is also a Thanksgiving Day to all the members of our faculty and staff whose immense contribution and tireless efforts have brought these institutions to the forefront of the professional education for which all of us are truly indebted.
As well as Dr. Naveen Gupta, Director HIMCS, kindly to deliver the welcome address as well as to throw some light on today's functions and the further programs. Dr. Om Kumar Harsh and Dr. Naveen Gupta, please. Thank you very much, sir.
Honorable Chairman, Sri P.K. Gupta ji, who is not present at the moment, and Honorable Vice Chairman, Sri Y.K. Gupta, respected President and CEO, Professor M.S. Tewatia, invited all distinguished guests, media personalities, advisors of SGI, my colleague directors, deans, head of departments, coordinators, faculty members and staff members, invited members from Sharda University and all other sister institutions and their families. I, Dr. Om Kumar Harsh, Director of Hindustan College of Science and Technology, and Professor Naveen Gupta, Director of Hindustan Institute of Management and Computer Studies, warmly welcome all distinguished guests. Today is a great day when we are celebrating the 17th Foundation Day of Sharda Group of Institutions. It is indeed a rare honor to have the celebrities of this stature among us on this occasion. We are grateful to you, sirs and madam, for agreeing to our request and taking your valuable time for making this evening a grand festival. Today we are delighted to mention proudly that SGI family is much more than ever before. Let me introduce that we celebrate our Foundation Day mainly due to following reasons. Firstly, we celebrate this day as a mark of festival for entertainment. Get together, so it is a day of festivity, enthusiasm, friendship, and family entertainment. Secondly, we offer our thanks to founder family for providing us such a wonderful institutions under Sharda Group of Institutions for our better opportunities and providing platform to faculty members and technical and managerial education to the needy students of the present generation. Earlier students used to run other states for getting such education. Thirdly, on this day, we pay thanks and respect to our founder and commit ourselves for raising height of Sharda Group of Institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, this day is an occasion which gives us a wonderful opportunity to reminiscence our past year's achievements and think deeply about the future. What does it have in store for us? How it will unfold? Are we prepared for the future? Do we have a system in place? And so on. We have a young and thinking team of scientists, technologists and engineers who could bring numerous compliments to us. We have now a large number of brand new young leaders for our labs. And an acclaimed educationist. The Sharda Education Trust is a promising body and is spearheaded by Honorable Sri P.K. Gupta ji, who is its current Managing Trustee and Chairman, and Honorable Mr. Y.K. Gupta ji, its current Vice Chairman, along with other science and technology, which was its first venture, was started in 1996. Chairman Honorable Sri Pradeep K. Gupta ji enjoyed the natural talent coupled with education and its development. Being a multi-talented, a quality sportsman, fond of training and driving, it was his natural inclination and machinery in the name of natural products India. He was conferred Udyog Ratna Award and UP Ratna Award for promoting value-based education with philanthropy and prestigious Gaurav spiritual passion for education has been instrumental in developing our core program. He himself has advised various programs to develop and enrich the education in institutions. His objective is to develop and promote all sections of society by creating a comprehensive developmental strategy. Apart from their immense contribution in the field of education, the promoters and the group have maintained a healthy relationship with the local, a high degree of respect for them. They have been generously donating time and energy to various social and political causes. They are also involved with community development programs organized by different social groups. One of the greatest achievements of the Sarda Group of institutions came in 2009 when Sarda University was founded, established in Greater Noida with world-class infrastructure. In addition, Sarda Group established 7 more institutions in Agra, Mathura region, coupled with research and development. We have an excellent advisory board which continuously explores the requirements of new areas of science and technology. We have been operating several research projects in various areas which are helping our students to understand the new horizon of the current environment. We have world-class professors who have worked in world of the renowned laboratories of the world like Bell Labs, Chicago University, University of New South Wales, etc. Expectations from SBI are much higher now. Not only is the pace of scientific and technological growth and the yardsticks of the living standard much higher today, age-old myths of economy and growth have been also broken. That is the shift from the manufacturing to services, capital resources to knowledge resources, population as a burden to human resources as an asset, national needs to the opportunity. No doubt, our students stand apart, rich in knowledge, a skill with winning attitude that employers are keen to hire. Our faculty members are honest towards their profession, sincere and hardworking gentlemen and women who are always available on short notice period. We also have a comprehensive plan for their future growth. Here is our opportunity for a successful future. Welcome abroad and carve a niche for yourself. Today, the entire SBI team looks forward to your guidance, which will strengthen our faculty to resolve and move forward more resolutely in achieving our mission. On behalf of SBI, I once again extend a hearty welcome to all distinguished guests and family members. I would like Professor Naveen Gupta also to join me in welcoming our esteemed guests. And finally, I would like to thank you for coming here and providing us an opportunity to interact with you at this wonderful occasion. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor Har. It is my proud privilege to welcome once again to all of you. I think this Foundation Day is a time to say thanks also to all of you who are esteemed guests, who are faculty members, who are staff, and all the co-passengers, those have helped us to cover a journey of 16 years, a successful journey. Thank you very much to all of you. But SGI believes success is not a destination, it is a journey. So it is a time for all of us for introspection to think, are we into a right direction? What extra efforts we require to make this institution a learning institution, a different institution? Can we give, this is the time to think also, can we give our 100% to this institution so that we can be different? I still remember when I was out for 2 years from this group, I was in Udaipur. I met during this period Mr. Y.K. Gupta ji. All the young faculty, I can see the young faces here. Let us have a place on this occasion. Can you stand along with me? All young faculty members, those feel young themselves.